Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video. So today I'm going to be using the analysis tool, and I don't know if people are getting anything from out of it. So let me just try to go the way I want to go to the over under. So someone told me to try that and illustrate how it goes. So from here, what I'll do, I'll go back to the free bots first, then go to this one, then go to Patel. No, not Patel, but not this one. Let me check for you. Well, which has 3. Let's go with this one. Yeah, this one. So from here, I'll check this one. I'll change now this from even odd to over under, then specify under, and then I will be trading like under 6, but using that is under, specifically under 6 win payout. So we have already increased our amount here. So it's very easy now to trade if you have good capital. So let's go to 100 maximum loss. Perfect. Then everything is set. Prediction is under 6. So from here, get to the analysis tool, then that is volatility 100. So trading, and then here, so this is how you can use it for under trades. You can go for under 8 or under 7. So from here, put your market there. It will now start the live tick. So immediately let's wait for like 8 of them. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one can give us an entry, a good entry. So let's go it. So under 5 to 9 over rate, excellent, exactly 5-1. If you see an entry there, you get in. So stop, then go back. You stop, go back. So we already at that one is the first entry, so digit there. So we get again to the over under. Or is it over under specifically? Then go to volatility 100, then wait for the countdown. So you must be very careful on what you're checking. So you'll just be checking in case you'll see the entry, make sure it is showing under. So don't trade whenever it has not shown you under. So let's wait. So it says under 7, 7, 7, 7, 9. Okay, no entry. So again, it says under, using 5 here an entry. Get into the trade. That way you stop. I'm always disciplined so much. Even if I get one entry, I don't overtrade. So discipline is key. Under 579, 579. So no entry. So reset again until it gives me the entry for unders. Under 59, an entry there, immediately. So in case there is a loss, you'll just wait for it to recover. So let's wait for the, I forgot to increase the martingale, but no problem. So you win. You can see we lost 15, we have got 17. So again we get again here. So we proceed. We need 100. So under digit 7, 9, 7 to appear, or 9. Then you enter an under trade for under 6. Remember, this is under 6. You can also do under 7, under 8, under 9, but I like getting out of the trade earlier. So 7 again. Say it is shown me 9, 7. So again there is a loss there. Then you wait for the recovery. So it will pick a 30 USD. So wait for the recovery, stop, get back. So we head back to the analysis. Says under 6 to under 6, that one 6, 7, 8, 9. I've seen 6, 7, 9. Perfect. You stop. What is happening? You stop. Why is it not stopping? So again we get back. So 5, that one, an entry. Oh, it did not click. So again, let me just again. Says 879 there. There's a loss there. Perfect. So you can see it is 1%, so I'll just stop from there. That is you can see we only have 1% left for this iPhone to get down. So let's stop from there. We are going to meet in the next video. So my target was to go to 100. We have scooped 40 USD, 3 losses, 7 won. Bye bye. And that is